Hey everyone, just finishing up for the day. Hope you've had a good one. This was just more about the thermometers that people are using at the moment. So you would know they're using infrared thermometers. I think they're infrared. So basically most people are popping them on the forehead. It was actually a nurse who alerted me to the fact that our pineal gland is in there. So every time we are doing a thermometer check on the forehead, we're actually sending energy into our pineal glands, and perhaps that's not such a great idea. So that's just a thought, and as a nurse she sort of said that it works exactly as well on the wrist. So if people do sort of just not thinking, I don't think anyone's doing it on purpose or meanly or anything, but if someone's walking out, and I don't have mine in here, but if someone's walking up to you and they're gonna, pop the thermometer on your forehead, just offer them your wrist and sort of say, oh no, I prefer mine to be done on my wrist, thank you, it's just as effective. So it just gives them, you can still get your temperature checked, make sure we're safe and keeping everyone healthy and happy, and basically, look after that pineal gland. Okay guys, have a good one.